Glimmerwood, my home, where every day begins with the warmth of light and ends with the comfort of a golden glow. I am Lumia, the Lightweaver, and it is my duty, my joy, to protect this village. Each morning, I weave light into the trees, into the very air, wrapping Glimmerwood in a blanket of safety and peace. The villagers rely on this light, their hearts filled with the warmth it brings. But even in a world of light, shadows can grow. Tonight, something feels different. Something darker stirs within the forest. As the sun sets, the light begins to fade. A chill wind whispers through the trees, carrying with it a sense of foreboding. The glow of the trees, usually so strong, begins to wane. The villagers, who moments ago were at peace, now glance around with worry in their eyes. A mist, dark and thick, creeps through the forest floor, spreading its tendrils, seeking to snuff out the light. I can feel the darkness closing in, an unfamiliar presence that threatens the very heart of Glimmerwood. But I will not let it take hold. I must act, and quickly, to protect all that we hold dear. In the heart of the darkness, I find my strength. I draw upon the energy of the forest, the love I have for this village, and with every movement of my hands, I weave a new pattern of light. This is no ordinary light, it is a light born of hope, of courage, of the unyielding belief that we can overcome any shadow. The symbols I create pulse with life, growing brighter with each pass, pushing back the darkness. The mist recoils, unable to withstand the power of the light. I will not falter, I will not let this darkness take what we have built. The shadows may creep, but my light will always rise to meet them. And just as quickly as it came, the darkness retreats. The mist dissolves, the shadows scatter, and once again, Glimmerwood is bathed in light. The villagers look up, their fears eased, their hearts warmed by the glow that returns to the trees, to their homes. I float above them, watching over my beloved village, knowing that we have faced the darkness together and emerged stronger. This light, our light, will never fade. No matter how many times the shadows come, we will always rise, always shine. Together, we will keep the light alive, now and forever.